Scan data lies to you every single day. Not because your scan tool is bad, not because you don't know what you're doing, but because data without context is meaningless. If you've ever looked at live data and thought, that doesn't make sense, you're not crazy. I'm Owen with Quail AutoWorks. I specialize in advanced diagnostics and programming, and today I'm going to explain why scan data alone can't diagnose a car. Here's the truth. Scan data doesn't show reality. It shows what the module believes is happening. And computers are only as smart as the inputs they are given. So if an input is skewed or missing or dropping out for a split second, the scan tool might never show you the full story. Here are a few examples. You can have a throttle issue where throttle position looks normal, but the pedal signal glitches faster than the scanner can update. You can have fuel trims that look fine at idle, but under load, they go completely unstable. You can have coolant temp that looks reasonable, but it's biased just enough to mess up fueling and drivability. Scan tools update slowly. They average the data, and they often hide momentary failures. So what happens? Parts get replaced based on what the scan tool shows, not what the circuit is actually doing. And that's how good techs get tricked, because the scan tool is a starting point, not a conclusion. Context is what turns data into diagnostics. Context means asking, when was the data captured? Under what conditions? Compared to what reference? And can I trust the signal? Without that, scan data is just numbers on a screen. That's why scopes, voltage checks, network testing, and correlation matters. The scan tool points you where to look. It does not tell you what's broken. If you want to stop guessing, stop throwing parts, and actually understand what the vehicle is telling you, subscribe to this channel. In the next video, I'll show you how to tell when scan data can be trusted or can't, and what to do instead.